This is the 2022 ATX 22 Type S in the Phantom Edition, which gives you the all gray package with the black accents. This is a pickle fork front. It does have your folding tower. You got your black sea deck on your platform in the back. Rear facing seats for putting your boards on and taking them off. You have your push button tow bar on the back, as well as stainless steel cup holders. Let's jump up into the boat and take a peek at what the interior offers. In the front of this boat, you do have a full walkthrough all the way up to the front and over the bow. You do have 2 lounge seats with cup holders and grab handles. 2 speakers up front as well. Black sea deck throughout. Got your gray chair with the flip up bolster. You do have your touch screen as well as toggle switches. This one does have the optional steering wheel controls on the inside. This is equipped with TAPS 3 as well. You got your full wraparound seating with removable backrest. You do have your wake view seating, which you can flip around and face back. You do have your walk-through on the back as well. You have a flip-up seats on the back so you can face aft. You do have board racks, and there's another removable backrest here as well. Tower speakers on both sides. You have your top tow point, and you do have your bow and starboard tow points as well. Look at the bimini top. The tower on this also does fold down to just below the windshield. This is the 2022 ATX Shadow Edition. This is also a 22-foot boat. Any questions, feel free to call or send a message in and we'll get you handled. Thank you.